In a bathroom not so far away is a cat. Frank is his name, and Floss is his game. His human stands a lot, so at the end of the day, she does legs on the wall while brushing and flossing to take the aches away. Although embarrassing to confess, it's the truth nonetheless. While brushing, Frank comes to rest on his human's chest. Silly kitty, it's actually the only time he does that. Odd little ritual, unique and unusual. So there it is, an embarrassing routine in our day to expose in dismay. You may laugh, you can roll your eyes, but if nothing else, at the end of the day, brush, floss, and play.